Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Varshika Singh and I'm back with another exciting video. And first of all, I want to apologize for not being active for a couple of months now because of my semester exams. But here I am and I wish you a very happy new year because this video is the first video of 2019 and that's why I decided to do a Sarojini Nagar haul. And I also did a poll on my Instagram and you guys wanted to see it. So here I am doing it. So without wasting any further time, let's get into the video. Okay, so I bought around 9 to 10 pieces from there, I guess. And let me show you. Here are my clothes which I got. I'm so excited to show you because I was pretty impressed with the shopping. And yeah, without wasting time, let's begin. So the first thing is this sweatshirt and it is extremely bright. I went there with my sister and this one is my sister's choice because she's the one who wears such bright clothes. I would never ever wear such a color in my entire life. So let me show you that. This is the sweatshirt. It is basically a plain neon orange sweatshirt, but it has a neon heart over here. So from behind it is plain. This is the front and the brand is Marco Polo denim and this is the size small. I don't know about this brand but the quality is pretty amazing and the inside of the sweater is amazing. Also keep in mind whenever you're shopping from Sarojini Nagar, please check if the piece you're picking is completely okay. There is no holes or there is not dirty and all. So this piece was perfectly fine. That's why we picked it. And this one was for rupees 200, which is completely, according to me, a steal. And we picked it from the place where there are round hangers and they don't bargain at all. So this is the first piece. Extremely happy with this one. Moving on, the next piece we got is in the gray color, which is this sweatshirt which has Simpsons written over it. This is an amazing cartoon. I can watch it over and over again. I loved it and I guess many of you also did. So this is how it looks. It is quite oversized and the back is the surprise. We picked it up because of the back of the sweatshirt. So here it is. You can see the Simpson cartoon over it and this rib design gives a new look. So it was just so cool and only for 100 rupees. Shh, don't tell. So this is an amazing buy. It doesn't look used or torn or anything. So that's why we picked it. And the brand, again, I don't know. It is Heart and it is made in Korea. So yeah, this is another piece. A huge thumbs up. Moving on. Oh, one more thing I want to tell you about this, that this one even has pockets. The sweatshirt which have pockets win my heart and this one has, so another good thing. Moving on, also if you notice the lights change because of this tube. Now it is back on. So moving on, the another sweater which I got is this. This is a knitted sweater and it is so simple, a little oversized and plain, but it is from H&M. Yes, you heard me right, it is from H&M. You can see it here. And it still has its tag on. It is in the size large and it says it was for $24.99. So that, and it is a steal because I got it for rupees 100 again. I hope I can show you full. The color is beautiful. It is light sky blue and it will keep you so warm. There is no hole. It is brand new. It is not dirty. So a perfect buy. Moving on, the next thing is this little cropped high neck top. This suits with everything. You can put on a blue jeans, some boots and this top and throw on a jacket. It will look amazing. And this will, I think, will go in the summer as well because the material is not so thick. but this one is also so cute, and for just for rupees 100, a great buy. I loved it. It's just a simple high neck. Moving on, there is another high neck which is of this olive green color, and this color is so beautiful, so rich, and yet so different. I didn't own anything of this color in my wardrobe, but now I do. So this is how it looks, and the sleeves are like this is a fold and it is stitched, so it is very gorgeous, and again looks brand new. No, it is not dirty, no holes or anything, and just for rupees 100. So what else you expect? So moving on, let's move further. Now I want to show you what I got in the bottoms, and the first thing is these trousers. These are the checkered prints. I hope you can notice the checkered, and this is a thick material. I don't know what it is called, but it is a thick material and is perfect for winters. But from the inside it is this shiny material. I think it is called satin, but not that expensive satin one. Like these satin clothes are different, which are put on the inside. So yeah, and from the bottom these are wide, not very wide, but a little wide. So these are those straight pants, and just so gorgeous. The fitting is amazing. These are also belt, the place for belts, and the brand is Juliana, and it is made in USA. It is written here, it is made in USA, and I loved it. And this one was for rupees 200 only, and I think, yes, it has pockets as well. So these are perfect winter pants. Moving on, the another pair of pants which we got with this is another checkered pants, but in a slightly thin material, which will be perfect for summers. So it is this pant. These both pants are super high waisted, which I love because they are very comfortable, and these pants are wide on the bottom as well, but not extremely wide again, and has this fold design at the bottom which looks super chic. And these pants are very detailed. The buttons are very high quality, and this is made in Thailand. And what else can I tell you about it? These has pockets again, and yeah, a very perfect pair of pants again. So we purchased both of these trousers in 400 rupees, where else he was started from, I don't know, maybe 400 or 500 for each, but then we managed to get for both of these trousers in 400 only. A steal, for me it is, because we bought it from a store, and the store sellers are very rude and they don't decrease the price very easily. So the next thing I want to show you is the t-shirt dress which we got, and this is how it looks. It has Bugs Bunny, which looks very rad, and if you know, it is the same design of the Moschino runway, and that's when we saw it, my sister saw it and she was like, I want it. So it is a very pretty design. The material is good and perfect for summer. It is a thin material, but not the bad quality. And the back is again the surprise. It has the back of the Bugs Bunny. It looks amazing. You can style it many different ways, and it looks amazing in every way. The color is very pretty, and yeah, what else you want from a perfect t-shirt dress? It is perfect. And this one was for rupees 200, and it also has pockets, which makes it even more perfect. So yeah, also we love this so much that we got another color and another design in the same pattern. So we have another in yellow color, which has Duffy on it, and this is how it looks. This yellow color is also very pretty. I'm not a great fan of yellow color, but this one is really pretty. So this is how it looks. again a very rad and super stylish chic Moschino design, and at the back again it has this design. So we got both of these for rupees 400, which is a great steal for such a runway piece which is so stylish and has pockets and a perfect t-shirt dress. What else you want? So very happy. So these are all the clothes which we bought, and now we have the star purchase of our haul, which is a handbag. I'm gonna show you. We were just walking out and then we saw it, and we were like, we have to get it. It was so unique, and it is a Gucci design. Gucci, what? You have to get it, guys. So this is how it looks. So it has this Gucci logo over it. I didn't knew that it was a Gucci logo. My sister told me, because I'm just aware of that double G sign and the snake symbol. But this one is also a Gucci sign, because she's a blogger. She writes a blog, so she knows very much in rather than me. So I will leave her blog link in the description box, so you have to check it out, guys. So but this is the bag I was talking about. It has this Gucci logo, and it is very sturdy. The metal is of very good quality, and it is that rusty gold type, and the leather material is so good. The leather is really thick, and it looks so expensive yet classy. And the best thing was the strap of this bag. It is so unique. This belt you won't get anywhere very easily. This is a very unique thing, and this was available in maroon color also, but we bought the black one because it will go with everything and look classy as hell. And the details are amazing, not rusted at all, brand new, and the lock is different. You have to pull it from here to open it, and this opens like this, and it is really spacious as well. It has another pocket over here, and the bag with two pockets are really good, because they can help you separate the goods and not everything gets mixed up. And this is how amazing the bag is. And this is the most expensive thing we got from Sarojini Nagar. It was for rupees 500, but I think this for 500 is a steal, because you won't get such type of quality in bag with a Gucci design and this unique belt in 500. So this was amazing. So yeah, that's it I have for my Sarojini haul today. If you want more videos, let me know in the comment section down below. You can follow me on my Instagram for more updates, and my Instagram handle is thatspexygirl. And that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it and enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're new here. I will see you next time with another exciting video. Bye bye.